Presenting the 2011 Ram 1500 SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, AC, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, auxiliary audio input, brake assist and child safety locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.